Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see who is logged into your Facebook account. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook and click on the three lines on the top right, then click on the settings cog on the top right. Once you're on here, click on see more in Account Center. Then you want to click on password and security. Once you're on here, select where you're logged in and just make sure you click on the Facebook account that's appropriate if you have multiple accounts, and this will bring up all the devices that you're logged in with. So obviously if there's any devices that you don't recognize, you'll want to log them ones out. So what you can do is select devices to log out, and this will bring up a list of all the devices. So you can obviously select them all individually, or you can select them all at once. It's also worthwhile changing your password as well if you have unknown devices logged into that account. But obviously if you want to log them out, just select the device and select on log out at the bottom. Thanks for watching.